Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm sorry my intro is just a bunch of pictures right now. I kind of lost it while I was editing and had to kind of do something different. So this is a collaboration from a group on Facebook, and these are the wonderful ladies I am going to be collaborating with. I'm super excited to be doing this kind of flower inspired collaboration. So the way that I did this was based on this picture here. It is a beautiful orchid. Orchids are my favorite flower, so I had to do a look inspired by orchids. Well, if you want to see how I got this look, please continue watching. Again, I'm sorry about the intro. Okay, so I'm going into my Carity palette, my Carity Mattes palette. I'm going to start with the shade Alexi, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade today. So I'm just blending this in and really kind of getting a nice blend here with that shade into my crease and a little above my crease here, because that's going to help me blend those other shadows nicely. Then I'm going to go into Enchant, which is a very beautiful blue. I'm using kind of like a pointed eyeshadow brush for this one, just because I really wanted to make that color pop. So for the first half, you're going to see me kind of do both eyes, and then I do kind of go off and do just show you one eye instead of doing both, because I did not want the video to be super long. And now I'm just going back in with Alexi, and I'm just going to blend that in and make sure it has a nice blend. You're going to notice that a lot, that I focus a lot on making sure everything is blended with this look. Now I'm just going in with a clean blending brush just to make sure, and then back in with Alexi and just kind of blend all of that. I also want Alexi to kind of show above in this look. Now I'm going into the purple shade, which is Ego, and I'm blending that into the blue and kind of working it out farther to the outer V. Just really working that in there. I really like how these Carity shadows blend together. I think they blend very well. And now I'm just going back in with Enchant to make sure that I really do get a nice even blend. Then back in with Ego, which is that purple shade. It's kind of a back and forth game with this eyeshadow look. And I do highly recommend, if you're going to play with such pigmented eyeshadows, to really make sure that they do blend. Next, I'm going in with Disturbia, which is black. You're going to notice that I'm like stamping this onto my outer corners of my eye. I'm really trying to make sure that that does pop. Now I'm going back in with that brush that has Alexi on it, and I'm just blending. Blending, blending, blending. You really have to kind of take your time with black eyeshadow when you are going to blend it. So that is what I'm doing here with that look. I really didn't want to speed anything up in this video. I really wanted to show you how I'm doing that. Now I'm going in with Ego and blending that in. Again, Ego is that purple shade. Going on to the other eye. And just really blending that in. This is a look that does take quite a bit of time, so if it is something that you want to do, I highly recommend making sure that you have the time to do it. I've edited this video to about 13 minutes, but this look took over an hour Just be forewarned because it is a lot of blending. Again, that's Alexi going on the top and just kind of blending everything together. Really making sure it is blended. That is the key. Blend. Now I'm going back in with Ego and blending again. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Just blend it. Really getting that nice kind of seamless blend while still showcasing all of the colors. Now I'm going back in with Enchant. I love that blue. It is so pretty. And now I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. This is what I'm going to use to cut my crease and for my white base. Oh, nerdy Danielle dancing. So I'm going to only show one eye on camera. I do end up doing both, of course. I don't just leave one blank. That would be kind of ridiculous. But this does take a little bit of time and a little bit of patience. You really got to focus and pay attention to your eye shape when you go in. And notice I'm really focused and really taking my time. More dancing, more dancing. Now I gotta fix it because I took a dance break and it still needs to be fixed. Okay, now I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics Cool Stone palette, and I'm using the Lavender Shimmer shade in this. I wish these shadows had names, but they do not. And I'm using that to set that NYX Jumbo Pencil. I also like how the Jumbo Pencil makes it pop. It looks really lavender in person. So just giving that full effect there. And making sure that I get everywhere that Jumbo Pencil was put on my eye. Because I want it to be that nice, sharp kind of cut crease. Really going in there, making sure I got all of those areas. Now I'm going in with my NYX Glitter Glue and my Medusa's Makeup Loose Glitter in Pegasus. And this is going to add some shimmer and some sparkle to that cut crease. I'm taking an eyeliner brush. This is what I like to use when I go in to do like a glitter cut crease. And I'm using that to really define that crease and to really make sure that I get a nice thin line of where I want that glitter. Now, this is the part that does take quite a bit of time. You got to really focus and make sure that you get that glitter glue laid down nicely. Then I go in with another liner brush and I kind of use it to pick up the glitter. I do this in small stages just because loose glitter, of course, is messy. It's also why I don't have my base on or anything like that. I did not want to worry about the glitter fallout. So now I'm just kind of patting that on and doing it in slow, small sweeping motions. Sometimes I wish I could actually speak. It would help a lot. It's not the case today. Yep, just kind of pat that on and make sure it is nice and stuck on there. You don't want your glitter falling out throughout the day. And I will let you guys know I did wear this look out for about 8 hours and the glitter stayed put. More dancing Danielle. Now I'm going in with my Soap & Glory Super Cat Skinny Eyeliner. I'm just going to let you know that I made a mess of this eyeliner. It didn't really do what I wanted it to, but in the end it ended up working out. So you're going to see quite the messy eyeliner, me trying to fix it, and then me just going in with a makeup wipe and saying, screw it. It will work out. As eyeliner never does for me when I take the tape off. That was my mistake. I took the tape off. See, messed it up. Messed it up. You messed it up, Danielle. So much mess up. I'm still trying to fix it. I don't know what I was thinking. My goodness. Now I just take a makeup wipe and I pray to the makeup gods to have it fixed. And it does kind of work out, but it wasn't exactly what I was going for, but I did fix it. I went in with a little more black eyeliner or black eyeshadow to kind of fix it and just kind of blended it out. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. You guys know I love this mascara. It is awesome. Highly recommend trying it. If you haven't tried it, you should. I don't know what you're doing. Now I'm going in with the Coty Cosmetics Plum eyeliner into my waterline and just kind of really working that in there to give it that nice purple effect to go with this look. And then I take it and I set it with the shade Ego in my Carity palette. And I should probably also let you know that I did not film my base makeup. As you can tell in this, it kind of skips and suddenly I have eyebrows and highlighter. I will have all of that linked down below. That way you guys know what I use and all of that great stuff. Going back in with my Maybelline Great Lash and I'm going to do my lower lash line. Can't go out without mascara on your top and your bottom lashes. Next, I'm going into my BH Cosmetics Backlight Highlight Palette, and I'm taking the shade On Point, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. And I'm actually using a paintbrush here. No shame. No shame, no shame, no shame. It worked really well. Then I'm going in with the shade Queen, and I'm putting that in my inner corner. And I'm putting it very heavily in my inner corner. And I'm just kind of using a more like tapered, angled brush. More dancing. More Danielle dancing. I am listening to music while I'm filming this. Next, I go in with the NYX Liquid Suede in Jet Set. It's a very blue. And as you guys can tell, I'm totally feeling myself. Well, I just wanted to mention that the other ladies' videos will be linked down below. I highly recommend checking them out. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. I really do hope that you enjoyed this look. I had a lot of fun filming it. I had a lot of fun wearing it out. It is actually one of my favorite makeup looks I've done in a long time, and I was really glad to be inspired and to be able to do this collaboration. So thank you to the ladies who did this collab with me. I really, really, really enjoyed this, and I'm going to set my face with my Maybelline Masterfix Studio setting spray and feel like a queen. Well, again, those ladies' channels are linked down below. Thank you so much, and I do hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you, and bye!